I've traveled many miles on the road of life so far, and my feet are weary, worn, and tired. I am seeking a place of refuge for my rest, somewhere high above the stars so bright, to fly like a bird on the wings of the heavens and soar through the silver-lined clouds far away. Oh, to be free of the world and its burden, never to walk this sin-stained earth again. The sins of this world are great and hard to bear, and I fall so often from God's grace. But I know my faith for Him will prove the test when I reach my heavenly home above, to fly like a bird on the wings of the heavens and soar through the silver-lined clouds far away. Oh, to be free of the world and its burdens, never to walk this sin-stained earth again. I dream of a time when my care shall be o'er, when this flesh no longer holds my soul, and I go to that land of everlasting day, there to live forever with my Lord, to fly like a bird on the wings of the heavens and soar through the silver-lined clouds far away. Oh, to be free of the world and its burdens, never to walk this sin-stained earth again.